SAFIR-Ready aims to save lives in Europe. We have medical use cases and we transport in critical infrastructure environments. The three key items that we target on and our conclusions are, firstly, we need more of Europe. We operate in a variety of countries with a variety of international actors, and we see a lot of differences. So more guidance at the European level will be helpful. Secondly, the harmonization of technology is as important. So we agree with several operators, several manufacturers of drones, and several air traffic automated providers, which we call USSPs, to harmonize interfaces. The physical size of a box that can transport medical or petrochemical goods is a second important element. The third element is that we have to ensure that the full value chain is included in our solutions to create a safe environment where different actors can use that same airspace.